Did you know that irrespective of the shutter speed that you set in the camera, the physical speed of the shutter curtains remains the same? Hi, I am Ashish Chalapuram, Senior Panel Expert from DCP Expeditions. DCP brings you an 8 hours learning course on the art and science of digital photography. In this 8-hour workshop, you will get an in-depth understanding on the concepts of how the camera works, exposure control, shutter speed, aperture, ISO, different types of lenses, framing and composition. In addition to this, where most of the budding photographers struggle is in their understanding of exposure and exposure settings and the histogram, the depth of field, white balance, metering, autofocus, focal length and its usage. The workshop doesn't end here. You will have a dedicated WhatsApp group for discussing your queries regarding the course. It doesn't matter if you are just starting off in photography or have been shooting for a while now. This course is designed keeping in mind the absolute newbie to the intermediate level photographer. So join me on this intense learning session on the art and science of digital photography and take your photography to the next orbit.